What's up, everybody? Tonight we're gonna make these beautiful pork tenderloins in an air fryer. So, cheers and let's cook. The first thing I'm gonna do is get rid of this pesky silver skin. So what I want to do is get my knife in just under the silver skin, and I'm gonna actually point the edge just a tiny bit up so we can stay right under that silver skin without cutting off the meat. Clean this guy up. Pretty good there. Next, we're going to make our dry rub. I have 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, and half a teaspoon of mustard powder. I'm just going to mix all that together with a fork. Now we're going to rub our pork tenderloins down with 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. Make sure that's covering it. And we'll sprinkle over our dry rub. Our tenderloins are ready to go, so now we're going to preheat our air fryer to 400 degrees. Air fryer's preheated, so now I'm just going to spray the inside with olive oil and place in my pork tenderloins. These guys are about 1.5 pounds. They're not too big, so we should be able to fit 2 in there without it being too crowded. It's looking good. We're going to go in and set that for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes and these things are looking great. I'm going to flip them over. Also smells amazing in here right now. I'm going to go back in for another 8 to 10 minutes or until we hit 145 degrees internally. It's been 8 more minutes and this guy's at 145. This one just temped at 150, so we are ready to pull. I'm just going to pull these out and let them sit and rest for 5 minutes. Our tenderloin is rested, so let's slice it up and see how we did. We have a super delicious, super tender, super juicy pork tenderloin here, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. Also, the recipe is written in the description right below the video. Also, if you like this cutting board and would like a custom cutting board of your own, go check out AC Woodworks on Instagram. That's my brother Angelo. He's banging out these things and all kinds of other cool stuff. Guys, cheers. I'll see you next time.